Hello, Bachabadi. Once again, welcome back of Standard 6, Chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. In the previous lecture, we had studied many more things like roots, the function of roots, and even that the modification of root. Clear? Also, at the last, we had also completed that the leaf. Clear? What is leaf? What type of a vein they have, how they work. Now, today we are going to study that the venation. Venation. So what is venation? So venation is a simple thing that the arrangement of vein. So what? Arrangement of veins. Clear? So this is our veins and there is an arrangement of veins. Clear? So that will be studied in this lecture and many more things, interesting things. Clear? So when you can observe the things, you can clarify that which type of a vein they have, how they are working. Clear? So you can give the idea to the other person. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the easy way of science, because science feel करने की चीज है. Clear बच्चा? So venations are of the two type. One is a reticulate and another is a parallel. Okay. So when you observe in the particular field like maize, bajra, you have to see this type of the particular leaves. आपको ये type की leaf देखने मिलेगी. But when you see the peoples, banyan, this type of trees, you can see this type of a particular leaf. Okay. So why? Because of the vein difference. Here there is a vein is of the parallel venations. Means the veins in the particular leaves are in the parallel form, parallel head. Clear? But in the reticulate, there is a vein as in one midrib. Over the midrib means a simple that main vein. Clear? Over the main vein there is a sub vein. Clear? तो ये मेन वेन है, ये सब वेन है, इसको हम वेन बोल रहे थे, उसको midrib बोल रहे. क्लियर बच्चा बाड़ी? तो there is a two type. One is a parallel and another is a reticulate. Clear? Now. So this type of a parallel you can find it in the particular cereals, grams, etc. This type of things you can find it in the banyan tree. Clear? When write it, etc. Clear? So now when you find the particular leaves, on that time you are not getting the particular the veins by observing that particular leaf. So sometimes we are not getting the veins. Why? Sir, because of the green portion is very dark. So for that, let us do one activity, or we can say the example, so we can understand that how we can get it. So what we have to do? We have to just take it the one leaf. Clear? Over the leaf we have to just put it the paper. Suppose this is our paper. Clear? Now in the paper you have to take one pencil and sedate that portion. अब वो क्या लेनी है, एक लीफ लेनी है, एक व्हाइट पेपर लेना है, नीचे लीफ रखनी है, ऊपर व्हाइट पेपर रख के वो पोर्शन को पेंसिल से सेडेट कर देना है. सो बाय व्हेन यू सेडेट दैट पोर्शन यू कैन गेट द व्हाट इंप्रेशंस, और यू कैन से द सेडेट रीजन. आपको एक इंप्रेशन मिलेगा. व्हाट? मतलब कि एक ऐसा पोर्शन क्या वो दिखेगा, हाँ ये रहा लीफ. क्लियर? छापनी बोलते हैं, छाप उसकी. क्लियर? मिरर इमेज. सो when we get that mirror image, from that we are getting the idea that in the particular views, this is our vein, this is our midrib, this is a leaf blade, Clear? So this is the one of the simple activity. Clear? So we can get it the particular this type of a portion. Write it in your book so we can move it further slide. So we are studying the portion of the leaf. Clear? So in the leaf we had completed the portion leaf. What is leaf? How the structure of leaf? Even that we had already completed the portion that venation, that was the arrangement of the vein. But the leaf are of the two types. One is a simple, another is a compound. Sir, what is simple, what is compound? Okay, look at here. Here is the two portion. This portion is a simple leaf portion, means what? Over this side you have only the one leaf, or we can say the leaf blade. Clear? And this is not going to be divided into the another leaf blade. Clear? मतलब कि ये leaves में से दूसरे leaves divide नहीं हो सकते वैसे के वैसे. Clear? But this is known as what? This is the compound leaf. This is the simple leaf. Clear? So when we observe the compound leaf, over this side or this vein we have one leaf blade, but over this vein, main vein, there is a many of the leaflets. बहुत सारे leaflets है, मतलब कि छोटे छोटे leaves है. Yeah, you can divide it, you can remove it and place it here, remove it, place it here. तो सब एक ही साइज में एक जैसे होंगे, बहुत सारे निकलेंगे. So it's a compound. But when you remove this, आप इसे उसी टाइप के मिरर इमेज नहीं निकाल सकते, वही जगह से नहीं निकाल सकते ना. So this is a simple and this is a compound, बच्चा वाले. Okay, so this is what compound is divided into small leaflets. Yeah, छोटे छोटे पत्ते निकल जाएंगे. Okay, not divided. This is the main portion of the simple and the compound. Clear? From that we can get the simple idea that when we observe it. Now we can take the example here that banyan tree. Here we have the example of the neem, tulsi, and many more. Okay, bachawade. So we have also the example over this portion. Now we will go further about that. How the leaf is going to be functionate, क्या उसका वर्क होगा, कैसे वो फंक्शन करेगा. So function of the leaves. Clear? So how they work? Functions is simple, that works. How they work? What is the use of that particular leaf? So leaf are doing the process of photosynthesis. How? Okay. In the photosynthesis process, we need what? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, CO2. This is the carbon dioxide. Clear? Carbon dioxide, and what we need? Water. Now from the leaf, clear, function of what? Function of leaf. From the leaf there is a presence of green pigment. Clear? That leaf is in green color, so there is a presence of chlorophyll. From that, with the use of sunlight, carbon dioxide and the water, they are preparing what? They are preparing the food. Process of photosynthesis to prepare food. Clear Vachavadi? Now what they are doing, inhale कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मतलब कि श्वास अंदर लेते तब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ, क्लियर, इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस दे इनहेल द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड एक्सहेल ऑक्सीजन. कब? प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. So in the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide लेंगे from the air and the oxygen they are removing. Clear? So with that oxygen we are live alive. Even that, so help the plant to get rid excess water through the transmission. So what they are doing? Transpirations. Now they are doing the transpiration process. Okay, sir, what is transpiration? Okay, so for that we have to do one activity. Clear? So we can understand better. Transpiration is what's that. We don't have the particular space. Okay, look at here. We have to just take it the tree, or we can say the small leaf. We can also take the cactus plants or even that any of the plants. Now what is transpiration for that? We have to just cover it with this portion with the plastic, tied with this plastic. Okay, so when we tied with the plastic and place it in the sunlight, so we can observe it that after an hour, you can observe it after the 3-4 hours, you can find it that small water droplet over the plastic के ऊपर आपको स्वेट्स जैसा दिखेगा, पसीने जैसा दिखेगा और वाटर ड्रॉप्लेट्स दिखेंगे. That's water droplets, where they comes from? Sir, with the use of the plant, because plant have the water, they are taking the water from the portion of the roots. Clear? यहाँ पे पानी होता ही है क्योंकि सुबह में हम पानी डालते हैं ना. So this is our roots. So they are taking the water, and with the sunlight, so when the sunlight is fall to this portion, so there is a transpiration process is occur. Clear? Okay, this is the transpiration. मतलब कि पानी जो ज्यादा होगा, एक्सेस वाटर होगा, वो स्प्लिट एक्सपेल हो जाएगा, मतलब वो धीरे धीरे बाहर निकलता है. क्लियर? जैसे हमें कैसे पसीना निकलता है उस तरह से, टू मेंटेन द टेम्परेचर. Clear? So write it or take a screenshot so we can move it on the further slide. Okay, bacha what? So we had discussed about that in the function of a leaves there is a process of photosynthesis. Why the process of photosynthesis? To prepare food. The process is photosynthesis. Clear? So to verify that the particular leaves are preparing the food or no, for that we have some activity. Okay, so activity, what we have to do it? We have to take it the alcohol, water, burner. Clear? indica. Now we have to just take, and another thing is, one most and important thing is leaf. Okay, we have to take one leaf. In the leaf we have to place it, that leaf, in the particular alcohol. Clear? Spirit of alcohol to clean out that leaf and place it in the particular alcohol. Okay, this is the leaf, we place it in the alcohol. Now we have to just heat it out with the help of burner, the water. Clear? This is our water. पानी को हमें गर्म कर देना है with the use of the burner. Clear? When the water is heat, you have to place it the test tube. In the test tube there is a alcohol and the particular leaves. Clear? Okay. When you place it, the test tube, in the water, hot water. Clear? So after some time you have to, we can observe it that the color of that particular leaves is gone, disappear. Okay, so when the color disappear of leaves, what we have to do, just take it in the particular one stand, and over that we have to place it iodine solution. Clear? Drop of iodine, or we can say the drops of iodine solution. So when we drop the iodine solution, it converted into the blue color. So when we observe the blue color, we can say there is a presence of starch, and with the use of the starch the food is making by the plant. Clear? क्या करना है, एक बार सुन लो. अल्कोहल लेना है, अल्कोहल के अंदर लीफ डाल देनी है, और वो टेस्ट ट्यूब को हमें गर्म पानी के अंदर डाल देना है. तब तक रखना है जब तक कलर डिसअपियर ना हो जाए लीफ का. क्लियर? अब लीफ को निकालो, एक जगह पे रखो, उसके ऊपर आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन डाल दो. अगर ब्लू कलर का लीफ हो गया, मींस देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च. क्लियर? स्टार्च है मतलब वो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस कर रहा है. Clear? Now what we have to do the next, even that we can, now the question is arising in our mind that how we can think about it, or how we can believe it that with the use of the sunlight they are making the stars. So for that there is another activity we have. Clear? This is the first part, this is the second part. Clear? So what type of activity we have? We have to just take it the particular plant. This is the dummy plant. Okay, now what we have to do, place it into the 24-hour, place 24-hour in dark room. Okay, now when we place it into the dark room, there is the absence of sunlight. Okay, so the food stored by the particular plant with the help of that leaves, क्योंकि लीव्स स्टार्च और सब फूड बनाता है, तो हमारे लिए तो बनाता है, खुद के लिए भी बनेगा, लेकिन वो सब खा नहीं जाता, स्टोर करते हैं अपने अलग अलग पार्ट्स में. क्लियर? सो व्हेन देयर इज एब्सेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, दे आर यूजिंग देयर फूड बाय देयर ओन, खुद का फूड यूज करेगा 24 आवर्स के बाद. क्लियर? 24 आवर्स तक. आफ्टर दैट what we have to do, cover with black paper. Clear? Now this plant we have to cover it with the black paper. Clear? So for one day. Clear? For a one day, for a डे, एक दिन के लिए रखो, और वी कैन से 3-4 आवर्स, 3-4 घंटे के लिए रखो तो भी चलेगा. क्लियर? नाउ व्हेन वी डू activity, now we can give the name of this activity is particularly fifth. This is 5, so this is become 4. So Now do activity 4. So when you do the activity 4, all the process we will do same. Now in that, after doing this process, we can get that when we place the iodine solution, we are not getting the blue color. Blue color हमें मिलेगा नहीं. So there is the absence of stars. So by this we can get it what, that with the sunlight, the plant is making their own food and producing the stars. Clear, everybody? So write it in your book. Now this is our activities to understand the things. Now, another thing is that modification of the leaves. Now it is not need that each and every time we are modifying the leaves. Sometimes the leaves are also modification by their own. खुद को अपने आप से modification कर सकते हैं. Clear? So by modification, what we get to support, or we can say, wait a minute. So give support. How they are giving the support? With this small tin drill. What is tin drill? Tin drill मतलब कि एक जूथा आप बोल सकते हैं फैलाव, कि भाई छोटे छोटे पत्ते ना फैल जाएंगे और किसी चीज को सपोर्ट करेंगे, वो गिर ना जाए. इवन दैट इफ देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्मॉल बर्ड्स ऑफ फ्लावर, दे आर कवरिंग एंड दे आर बिकम प्रोटेक्टिव टू दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर. Clear? So with the help of the tin drill, or we can say the particular small leaves, we are getting the supports. Clear? Even that to reduce the loss of water. Clear? This is the tin drill. With the use of that tin drill, they are supporting. Now the plant is also the reduce their water because of the transpirations. There is a loss of water. So with the spine, मतलब काटे वाले trees होते हैं, with the use of that spine, the grazing animal which eat that grass, they avoid to eating that grass. काटे वाले से वो खुद को बचाएंगे. Even that with the help of that, you can observe that cactus plant. You can find this cactus plant in the Kutch, in the Rajasthan area where there is a lake of water. Clear? So by reducing them, they have become freshly, और जितना थोड़े बहुत पानी में वो जिंदा रह सकते हैं. Clear? So this is the modification of plant. You can find it this to give the support system in my next part of this video. So we can get it the particular with the demonstration and with the particular pictures, so that how they are particular support or how they are protecting the birds. Clear, bacha bade? Now write it this portion so we can move it the further. Simple thing. So bacha bade, we had already completed the portion of the particular stream and the leaf. Now we are in the portion of the root. That root are going to be divided into the two forms. One is the taproot and another is the fibrous root. Okay, so what is taproot? Look at it, the diagram. This is our small type of plant. We have to just observe it, the down portion. Clear? So in the taproot, there is a one vertical main root is there. From that main root, there is a small subroot, and which subroot arise it. Clear? एक मेन रूट होगा, उसके अंदर से दूसरे सारे रूट्स निकलेंगे. ओके, सो वन मेन रूट ग्रो वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स. क्लियर? सेकेंडरी रूट्स अराइज फ्रॉम इट्स कॉल्ड लेटरनल रूट्स. From the main roots, the small subroots are going to be arise. That known as what? Laternal root. Clear? This is the laternal root. Now here we can observe it. Skip that upper portion. Clear? If you want to draw it, okay, you can draw the small plants. Skip that upper portion. Now you have to just observe it the down portion. Clear? So fibrous root is simple. That no main root. They don't have their main roots. Even they have many root arise. They don't have main roots like a tape roots. In the tape roots they have one main root. एक तो है main root, उसमें से सारे root निकल रहे हैं. Clear? But they have no main roots. The many roots arise from one region, clear, where they are arising from this one region, clear, एक साथ बहुत सारे रूट निकल रहे हैं. Grow horizontally, now they are growing horizontally, कहीं पे भी कैसे भी चले जाएंगे, vertical नहीं जाएंगे, horizontally, and buzzy or cluster appearance, एकदम buzzy type. Now these type of roots are going to be very powerful, तुरंत नहीं निकलेंगे, बहुत जोर लगाएंगे, बट इसके अपने जोर लगाए निकल जाएगा. Clear? Now, what is the function of that root? How they are working? So look at here. The function of the root is what they are supporting. We can say in scientifically it's a anchor. Clear? So they support the plant to the soil. Clear? They are supporting the plant to the soil with the help of that root. They are supporting. How they are supporting? How the modification? That you can observe it in my next video. Over there we can go through the photo wise and with this slide wise. Clear? Now root absorb water, mineral from the soil. Clear? What they are doing, they are absorbing the water from the ground, even that the minerals, so they are making their own foods. Clear? They look like a pipe system. Root will help in holding the soil together. Now it's a very important thing that roots are helping the holding the soil system. When we go to the at the previous time before 5 or 10 years ago, when we go from Una to the or the side portion of the highway, there is a big type of highway, big type of the trees are there. On that time the road is not going to be cracked, वहाँ पे road टूटते नहीं थे. How they are helping? They give the shades, they give the pure air, even that the carbon dioxide of vehicle they absorb and they release the oxygen. हमें ठंडक देते थे, बहुत सारे रूप से help करते थे. Even that roots are going to be go in the soil. Clear? और roots जमीन में जाएंगे तो जमीन को पकड़ के रखेंगे. So they are what preserving that soil. तो अगर वहाँ की soil हिलेगी नहीं तो रास्ते पे दरार नहीं आएगी और रास्ता टूटेगा भी नहीं. So they are helping to that portion also. Root help in holding the soil together. Clear? So when the person is throwing the water, तो soil क्या होगी, चली जाएगी. But with the help of the trees roots, they are holding it to one position. Clear? So this is the whole things. Today our lecture is done. Tune with us. We can get it many more things, interesting things that how the flower can grow, how we can get the seeds. That we will give the answer in our next session. That how their forms, how the reproductive systems of the flowers are there. All the things are given in the last parts, final parts. So stay tuned with us. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the easy way, the science. One thing is that do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye. और घर पे रह के पढ़ते रहना.